now. Gates open, they're up and racing. Jet prop, Shimmer Joe moving up, then running by the rail. I remain, then on the outside is Honey, Your Mind, following by entry number 8, Sheila Princess. Moving up on the further outside is Incorruptible, running by the rail is entry number 2, and that's Pochi. Passing the last 800, Jet Prop in command by about a length and a half. Moving a party outside, rather that Shimmer Joe who's in command. Jet Prop is on the outside as they race towards the last 600. Shimmer Joe leading the field. Jet Prop is in second. Running in third by a gap of 8 lengths. I remain running in fourth. Honey, Your Mind, followed by Pochi. Sheila Princess running by the rail. Incorruptible. Then comes Federal Court. Mana Mana as they turn for home. Shimmer Joe, she's 3 in front by a running in second is Jet Prop by the rail. Now moving up. I remain in the outside. Incorruptible with the last 150 more to run. Shimmer Joe by about 6 lengths, followed by Incorruptible, and finally the horse of Mr. Ferdy de Maisip, Shimmer Joe. Incorruptible, Mana Mana, Sheila Princess, Honey, Your Mind, close with Celestial for your Pentapecta.